It's that time of the year again when you come back to your car to find out that all of your car's windows have misted up as a result of it being a cold night. It's certainly not as frustrating as it being iced up, but it's still certainly an annoying part of life. Fortunately, it's quite a simple and easy task to demist the windows, but it's an easy one to take longer than necessary. So if you're interested in finding out how to demist your windows that little bit quicker, well, stay tuned because we've got plenty of tips for you. The first thing you need to do then is to stick the heater on cold. Yes, that sounds so alien, but it's the correct way to do it. As if you put the heater on high temperature, it will most likely steam up your windows even further, delaying your morning or evening. So stick it on cold. Anywhere below 20 degrees is absolutely fine. And once you've done that, stick the demist button on, and this will really help reduce the amount of mist on your windows. Next up is air vents. Now this is a really important feature. You've got a set just below the windscreen here. You can let them do their thing, but for the remaining air vents, well, I'd position these towards the window to help demist them. And every 10 seconds or so, make sure to increase the temperature to help demist them even quicker. Another tip is if you've got air conditioning, well, use it, because using air conditioning whilst demisting the windows will help to take the moisture out of the air and stop condensation reforming on all of your windows. No air conditioning, well, that's not a problem. Some vehicles don't come fitted with air conditioning, or the feature is broken or disconnected. To remedy this, simply roll down all of the windows within the car. This allows all of the cold and dry air to flood into the vehicle, helping to reduce the condensation and getting you on your way twice as quick. So then, I hope that this video has been useful and there's been some good tips in there. For any further information, please head to our Swansway blog, where you can find lots more helpful tips and tricks. Until then, I'll see you next time.